Para masabi ko again, ang network marketing sa Pilipinas, hindi na siya hindi na siya ganun kaganda because again, maganda yung company, kaya lang yung tao lang mismo ang yung tao lang
Marami
mismo.
kasing fly-by-night na company
Correct.
na masabi lang na they are bago, pioneering, they taking advantage yung mga tao, then they're saying, sama ka rito, pumosisyon ka rito,
Yeah.
pioneer tayo rito. But yet,
Yeah.
they're designed na magtagal lang in a few months.
4 months, 5 months yan.
5 months. Tama-tama yung tanong ni Coach Achi. Coach Achi?
Oo. Kagaya na banggit mo, Coach, no, na kailangan nung parang yung something new or yung pagbabago, di ba? But since yung meron or successful ka na dun sa MLM journey mo before, so bakit mo po pinasok yung subscription business? And ano po yung nakikita mong future sa mga Pilipino?
Oh, wow. O nga, no? Sakto pala yung sakto yung transition.
Yes. Segue yun, segue.
Okay. Well, for in the last 60, 70 years kasi, the same exact concept halos ang ginagawa nila. Traditional network marketing company, selling overpriced products. I'm not saying that there's something's wrong with the concept or something is wrong with the product price or the price point. It's just that yung compensation plan nila is designed na mag-markup talaga ng mataas. Okay, now, punta tayo. Bakit subscription ang pinasok? Pag tingnan mo yung data, historical data ng network marketing traditional compared sa subscription, di hamak na nalagpasan na ng subscription economy ang traditional network marketing. Why? Network marketing right now, nasa around $200 billion noong 2023. Subscription, nasa around close to $350 billion US dollars. 70 years to, 70 years or 60 years, sabihin na natin yung network marketing company, wala subscription, wala pang 30 years. So, dun pa lang makikita mo, ano ba ang nakikita mong future sa subscription? Kung bakit a lot of people right now is namumulat sila kung ano ang kayang gawin sa kanila if they subscribe into something, either they don't like it, nakikiuso lang, o talagang they found value doon sa kanilang binabayaran every month. Imagine mo 60 years versus 30 years, pero yung gross revenue niya, doble. And now, people are really into subscription because kahit saan ka gumalaw right now, kahit saan ka makikita mo, especially nasa virtual tayo, halos lahat subscription eh. Canva is subscription, Spotify subscription, Zoom is a subscription, Meralco Maynila subscription, SNM, maraming subscription eh. Lahat ng ginagalawan natin right now, subscription. Now, if you are still tali doon sa old ways of marketing concept, maaring yung usad mo pabagal unless mga hype ka, unless ang ipapakita mo is sports car ulit. Which is yan, pang short term lang.
Correct.
Kasi yun ang market mo para malabanan mo tong subscription na meron si Live Good right now. Kailangan mong gumawa ng something na ang panlaban mo lang. Alam mo namang hindi kayang ipanlaban yung produkto. Wala namang kayong certificate of analysis. That's number 1.
Correct.
Diba? Yung presyo ng produkto mo mataas kumpara sa amin. That's number 2. Kaya, mag-iiba na lang ng strategy ako. Bibenta ko na lang yung resulta ko na sports car, resulta ng upline ko na sports car. Di ba? Which is yan pang short term yan. But subscription, imagine mo, you are now, hindi dahil nakikiuso ka, hindi dahil trip mo lang mag-subscribe, because you will get the utmost value ng isang subscription. Ang pinag-uusapan natin is health. Wala, lahat ng sinusubscribe mo ngayon wala namang health dyan Sa atin, ako kasi subscriber ako ng nung na-realize ko, wala naman akong sinusubscribe na isang value tungkol sa health ko na makakatulong sa health ko. o eto, lumabas si Libgood, magsusubscribe ako, may value ako nakukuha, o nagkakakuha ko ng 70% off. Now, pang long term ba talaga? My answer is 100 million % yes. Ang
Wow.
subscription. That's why pinasok ko siya. That's why pinasok ko. 'Di ba? Remember I did a training noong May or June yata.
Yes,
Diba? I
yung
did a
as I
training
remember, Coach Tim, yung future na binasa mo doon.
Oo, yung may
Conservative pa yon.
correct. So may phases growth of network marketing, merong 10 years projection, pero meron ako dong dinagdag na konsepto na meron si Libgood. Isa lang 'yun eh. Isa lang ang meron, isa pa lang 'yon kung ano meron si Libgood right now. Membership subscription has been around for 30 years and it's a projected to hit like $1 trillion industry in the next 5 years. $1 trillion industry in the next 5 years. Okay? Number one concept, meron si Libgood, yes. Number two concept, ang sinusubscribe natin is a supplement na highest quality, lowest price, backed with a lot of certification, documentation na mga kilalang institution. Wellness. Wellness is a $200 billion industry. Do we have that sa Libgood? Yes. Network marketing concept. Kaya sa atin, ang approach is the same sa network marketing, pero the concept is totally different. Pero meron tayong konsepto ng network marketing because how we approach people is the same exact thing kung paano nag-approach yung mga traditional network marketer. If they're using virtual setup, then so be it. Network marketing has been around for 100 years. Mary Kay pa, Tupperware pa, those are gumagamit na yun ng Unilevel yung mga yun eh. And network marketing, $180 billion industry. We have the affiliate marketing, $17 billion industry. We have a e-commerce dropshipping. E-commerce dropshipping is around for magkano na 100, I think $100 billion na sila. And we have a prescription medication dinagdag. 6 na nga yan eh. 6 na magandang konsepto.
Hindi na 5 in 1, 6 in 1 na pala.
6 in 1 kasi may prescription tayo eh.
Yes, we have a free health assessment, correct?
Oo. So, prescription medication, yung tirzepatide saka semaglutide, those are prescription medication. Imagine mo sa isang company, pinagsama-sama yung lahat ng konsepto na yon na hindi ito ordinaryong konsepto. These are billion or $1 trillion industry. As a matter of fact, yung prescription medication is a $1 trillion industry. Bakit naisipan ni Libgood na pumartner sa isang company na pwede makakuha ng malaking discount? Because they understand that there are 40 million US citizen na identified na may type 2 diabetes. Now, kung papipiliin ka nga naman, kung bibili ka ng $300 na produkto na semaglutide or 179, sa 179 ka, mag-membership ka, magbayad ka ng $10.
Correct.
Tirzepatide, $700, mabibili mo lang sa atin ng $350, $280. At sure ako, hindi, 2 produkto pa lang yan. 2 produkto pa lang yung prescription medication. Makukuha pa tayo ng marami dyan. Ay,
Brother James, cut kita dyan. Kasi once we talk Fernand Santiago, I tell them na 5 in 1. So right now, you're saying, since we have the free assessment and prescription, consider them as a dollar industry din sa $1 trillion industry right now, not only in the US. So meaning we have 7 in 1. So ako na-amaze Achi, no? Kasi habang binabanggit ni Brother James ito, there will be a possibility, tama ba